With a large storage capacity of 318 litres, this fridge freezer from Beko is the perfect appliance for family kitchens. Frost-free technology circulates cold air throughout the freezer to prevent ice from forming. Maintenance is easy as the chore of manually defrosting the freezer is a thing of the past. Beko's Freezer Guard technology ensures that this freezer can withstand temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius, so you can keep it in a garage or outbuilding, knowing that your food will stay safely frozen no matter how cold it gets. The chrome wire wine rack is a convenient and stylish way to store your wine bottles and soft drinks, perfect for keeping your drinks cool without taking up all the shelf space. Keep your groceries perfectly chilled and frozen with this spacious fridge freezer from Beko.